Hey guys, I'm gonna show you in this video how to cancel your ChatGPT Plus account, so Plus or Pro. So once you're on chatgpt.com right here, just click on your username at the bottom left, and then go to settings right here, and then under here you want to go to billing, and here as you can see I have ChatGPT Plus, and once you cancel you go down right here, you click cancel plan, and it's gonna ask you to switch. If you want to switch for a lower plan, just click try ChatGPT Go or no thanks. And it says if you cancel it now, it will remain active until the end of your billing period, which is next month. So if you cancel now, it's still gonna be able, you're still gonna be able to use it until the billing period ends. Just click cancel, and you're gonna receive an email and a confirmation pretty soon. Right, so it says your subscription has been canceled, and now you can see it's your plan will be canceled on July 22, 2026. If you still want to renew, just click this button. It will renew it. Otherwise, just leave it like that. So in case you forget it to renew, if you don't want to renew, just cancel before, after you subscribe it. And that's how you cancel your ChatGPT Plus account. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.